Welcome back, Phil here with another unboxing. This one here is the clear version of the Sinanju. It's the Gundam base limited release. This is what I've seen on the shelves at Gundam base. It is quite a nice build once completed. Does have the black in the frame. I'm not sure whether to do a different colour or a gloss inlay on this. I'll see how I go when I start building it. With this particular kit, it still has on the front cover the traditional red for the Sinanju. As I did mention, is a 2017 release, so quite a nice master grade. Okay, on this side here it's got some pictures and some write-up about the actual Gundam base. Got here a nice pose of the clear Sinanju, so you get an idea what it looked like when finished, and you get an idea of the clear. It does show some effect parts as well as the weapons that come with it. This side. Here we've got usual for the sides, the bust of the Sinanju. And here we've got some other different poses as well, so be quite a nice look once finished. And same here, same as the other side, the bust. Now just let me have a look here. It does recommend in Japan for 7,500 yen, so in Australian dollar equivalent to say $80. Okay, now I don't know how visible these parts are going to be. I will also show you them out of bags, so hopefully that helps also. This bag here, it looks like it's got some of the chest pieces, got part of the shield, some waist parts as well, and looks like, yeah, they're standard stickers. And this bag here, got some water slides, got some weapon runner here, and got some more, looks like shield, some leg pieces. Okay, here we've got the nice yellow effect parts, and got some inner frame here for the legs. And looks like these inner frame parts are from the 2008 model. So looks like the inner frame is still old, but just upgraded the armor parts, the clear. This one here, it looks like some more weapon parts. And here looks like, yeah, it's got the springs here, looks like to be used for around the waist. Some more effect parts and inner frame parts. And yeah, we've got some, looks like booster parts. And we've got the clear runner here, some more of the armor. Some more armor pieces here. And it looks like, from what I see here, the sprue gates, they're nice and small, so they shouldn't leave too much of a mark once you cut them off. And looks like you got the rear tanks. Some more armor parts, looks like some clear parts for the cockpit. So it'll be actually quite nice, like if you do get around to painting the little figure that comes with it and put him in the cockpit, you'll be able to see him through the clear parts. That'll be a nice touch. Here we've got some more inner frame parts. Looks like some of the weapons as well. And got some more, looks like arm pieces. Here we've got some more leg pieces, the armour. And inner frame and some more of the shield parts. Looks like waist parts as well. And it looks like the sticker system for this is the same as the Vercar. Like we've already had the wet slide stickers. Now we've got your standard gold stickers, gold foil. So it's quite nice. Okay, now I've got everything out of the bags. We'll start with the decals. This little one here is just your standard sticker type. And here we've got the gold foil stickers. Some more of the standard stickers. And here we've got the water slides. I'm still not sure whether I'm going to use the water slides or the standard stickers. Like, I don't know if you checked in my previous video, I did do the red Sinanju Musgrave, which was the Vercar version. I went with the standard sticker type and actually didn't come up too bad, so I might do the same thing again. Okay, here we've got the Clear Runner A. As I said, got some of the shield parts and some more of the armour. Looks like some waist and bust pieces. We've got some inner frame parts, the Runner N. Here we've got the nice yellow effect parts. You get two of them. Here we've got a weapons runner, so Runner J. Another weapons runner, Runner P1 and P2. We've got some more clear armour parts as well as some more of the shield, leg pieces, Runner E. Here we've got Runner G, more clear armour parts. There's two of those runners. And we've got Runner I, which is your booster pack. Two of those runners. And here we've got Runner C. This is the clear cockpit one, which I mentioned earlier. Runner B, and we've got Runner N, some of the inner frame leg pieces, and we've got Runner F, it's some more clear armour pieces for the leg as well, and there's two of them. Here we've got Runner D, with some more of the backpack pieces and some of the waist. And here we've got Runner H. These are the booster pieces. Looks like some polycap pieces. Got Runner M. two of those. These are the inner frame pieces. And we've got runner, where are you? Runner L. Inner frame pieces, as well as some of the shield pieces here. And final runner, yep, is runner K. Some more inner frame pieces. Okay, now we've got the manual. Now this manual here is, yep, it's a 2013 one. So it is from an older kit, but at least it's not a 2008 like the inner frame. As usual, it's got the nice illustration on the front cover, standard for Bandai. We'll go to the inside. Do have some illustrations. Now, let me just have a quick look. Yeah, unfortunately, these ones here, like your newer manuals, have both Japanese and English. Unfortunately, this one's just Japanese, but yeah, it's got some nice illustrations of the kit. Let me just skip to the next page. Most important page for me, that is your runner list. I always double check my runners, make sure it's all there before I even start building. And we start the build guide. Pretty standard throughout all kits. Normally if we skip to the middle page, yep, you got some colour illustrations, some of the anime, you got your colour chart, and also a colour chart at the bottom for the little figurines that come with it, and some more posing of the Sinanju, and at the bottom here always shows other kits that you can purchase. And if we just skip to the back, gives you your decal list of where to apply them, and on the back just some more pictures of the Sinanju in pose mode. I try not to go too much detail with the manuals. Like there are a lot of other YouTubers out there that do go into detail, so just go and check one of those guys out. You'll get almost page by page. I try not to let these videos run too long, that's why I just won't do it. Okay, that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. If you got any comments, please leave down below. There's not much else I can really think about this kit. Probably get more into detail on the review of this, see what I come across, and if there's any undergates or how the small gates do cut up, and if there is any marks left from them. I will leave all that in the review coming up. But so far I haven't had any issues with any of the Gundam based limited kits, so they have been quite a nice build so far. So yeah, if you did like, please leave a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button so you can get further notifications. That's if you hit that bell as well. And thanks for watching. See you next time.